guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am feeling beautiful with all this sun, golden hour moment coming in. Anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a two-tone lip tutorial. Now, what is two-tone lip? Two-tone lip is basically when the top of your lip and the bottom of your lip are two different colors. Now, some people have this naturally. I think mostly among black people and African people. Even me, I kind of have two-tone lip, like, let me say, a little tiny bit. But right now, you cannot see it because I have applied foundation on my face and I tend to use foundation to cover my lips as well. But today, we're going to be doing a two-tone lip tutorial. So if you want to see how you can achieve two-tone lip, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel by clicking the subscribe button right here. Give this video a very big thumbs up, like this video. And let me stop talking and let's just jump into this video because I'm excited. So for your two-tone lips, you can choose to use pink, you can choose to use red, you can choose to use orange. Today I want to try and use orange. One thing you need to know about two-tone lip is that you have to master the art of not doing like this. I know most of us girls, when we apply lipstick, we tend to do like this and mix it together. But if you are going to be doing two-tone lips, you cannot do like this, because then you mix the two different colors together and it's not going to be two-tone anymore. So for my own two-tone lips today, I want to be doing orange and brown. So if you have like a matte brown lipstick, you can use that, but I will be using a brown pencil for mine, and I will just be using it to line the top of my lip. That is my top lip. Now you're close. So I will just be using this to line my top lip. Then I'll also use the pencil to kind of like fill it in. Like, just use the pencil as a lipstick and apply it only to my top lip. Like, and now I can do like this because I've not yet applied the color. But when I apply my color to my bottom lip, I can't do like that. Now you can choose any color you want. You can choose to apply red in the down of your lip. My lips naturally are dark here and a little bit red here. I'm not saying I have pink lips, but just know that sometimes the two of them can be brown. I'm feeling this sun, like this golden hour is for me. Wow, beautiful. So now I am going to be taking this lipstick, this mini lipstick. It's orange, and I'm just going to be applying it to my bottom lip. Remember, you can't go like this, so we just have to leave it like that. I feel like applying a gloss. You see, just by talking like this one I've stained. So I just have to clean it quickly before it dries, like crazy. So I feel like applying a gloss to the bottom lip. So I'm just going to be taking a little glossy and apply it down just with my finger. I am the kind of person that I cannot stay without but I can't for the two-tone lips. So now you have seen it. This is basically how to do a two-tone lip. Very easy. If you choose that you don't want orange, you can definitely do pink. If you don't want pink, you can do red. You can just apply two different colors. But oh my god, see the problem with two-tone lips? This gloss is sweet, so I like to lick it, and I think it's not harmful. So I'm just going to take my pencil again and go over it, darken. Okay, I am not going to join my two lips together. Okay, as I was saying, you can do whatever colors you want, but you also need to remember that you cannot join your two lips together. If this sunlight is overpowering my face, I am sorry. It's just that sun came out this time that I wanted to film my video. This is like past 5, so oh my god, I keep joining my lips together when I'm talking. But it's not like that obvious that up of my lip is on. So if you have not given this video a thumbs up, make sure you like this video. If there's anything you have a question on, comment it down below. If you want me to try other methods of doing two-tone lips, also comment it down below. I have a tutorial on how I fix my lashes, how I draw my brows, and how I draw wing liner. They will be linked in the description. And I also have a tutorial coming out on how to blend your eyeshadows. Please subscribe to my channel. I am begging you in the name of God above, the real almighty God. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure you're following me on Instagram right here. Instagram and Twitter at can you see this? This is Anastasia, baby. Anastasia Glow Kit. Like, follow me on Instagram at Mobile Official. Like, let's be friends there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.